pen. Well on leash, probably housebroken, but he is best in a home with kids over 10 because he guards his food a little bit. So they need to know that they can't, disturb him when he's eating. Okay, baby. Good boy. He's not exactly fond of being picked up and carried, but he does like to be near you. You want some more? Thompson is adorable. Yeah, little guy. And who says that there are no full breeds here in shelters? Hey, sweetheart. Yeah.